Hey Palo Alto Hills members, Michelle Latini here, second assistant at Palo Alto Hills. Wanted to talk to you today about what we can do to help our golf course looking as pristine as it does all year round. First things first is to be sure that we are replacing our divots with sand and seed. A lot of the times we hit our shots and we don't fill that. And what happens? We get all these nice little brown spots here with chunks of grass taken out. So what can you do to help? It's always to be sure that you take a bottle of sand and seed. These are available on your golf carts. We also have some that are for your hillbillies, even if you carry your bag. We have even smaller ones. So when you are filling in your divots, be sure you fill it, step on it, make sure it's flat. That way when the mowers go over it, it doesn't spit the sand and seed everywhere. Makes it nice and even. There's your tip. And next we're also gonna talk about how to refix our ball marks on the green. Hey Palo Alto Hills members, Michelle Latini here, your second assistant. Wanted to talk to you about ball marks, especially on our brand spanking new greens that we're going to have. It is so important that we fix our ball mark and one other person's. One of the most common things that we see is a lot of the times we hit the front of the green and our ball goes straight to the back of the green. A lot of times people don't look here at the front where the ball actually landed and just go straight to their ball. So, how can we fix these? You'll come down, you can use a tee or any of these ball mark repair tools that we have by the pro shop. You're gonna go in, forward, little tap, tap, tap. You can even use your putter. I like to fix my ball mark and then I like to fix one other person's. That way I can be sure that I'm keeping our greens nice and pretty. So I'll fix this one. Little tap, tap, tap. Now, what happens when I don't fix my ball marks? We get these little dead spots on our green right here. That's from somebody not fixing their ball mark. Again, it is so important that we are fixing our ball marks to keep our golf course in the pristine condition that Andrew's team keeps going all year round. Thank you.